ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri ke Sorkar Pdeng Kirren Rijiju ulaong ba ke Sorkar Pdeng kara Shimkhia bah ha bayadai bat ke Jingïapynbeit pot ha Pdeng ki Jylla jong ka than setai lam mingi keri India ke badan ha Pdeng ke Jingïapynbeit pot bat ke Jylla Assam. Ha ke Kirren bat kilat patai khubor Rijiju ulaong ba ke Sorkar India ha po ke Jingïalam jong Narendra Modi ko menteri rangba kala Shimkhia ban ptha ya barok ki Jylla ban Jingïapynbeit no yo pot usam da ke rukom ke badai. Ula ongru bau menteri jong katanat ki kampo ying kari u Amit Shah ula Shimkhia bha dalade ban kedau lenti ha kabayadai bat kani ke Jingïapynbeit pot ha Pdeng ke Meghalaya bat ke Jylla Assam bat ki wei de ki Jylla.
The union government under the leadership of Modi ji and the Home Minister Amit Shah ji has already asked all the states of Northeastern region to amicably settle all the unresolved boundary issues amongst themselves without resorting to any violence. So sometimes the problems arise along the border lines. Some actions by some local officers or local people do generate tension, but it is the responsibility of the state government and the administration in the district level to ensure that if there are any disputes, unresolved boundary issues, there should be peaceful negotiation and there should be formal talks, and it should be resolved in a best appropriate manner. The border issue, land issue is always sensitive, so it must be treated carefully, it must be dealt with proper care, so that after all we are not enemies. We are 7 sisters, now with Sikkim 8. We must ensure that we coexist peacefully, and we have to show our ability to handle all the issues in a best possible manner peacefully. With the focused attention given by Home Minister Amit Shah ji and with his guidance and his support provided to each state government, it has given a very good platform and opportunity for all the state governments, especially the chief ministers, to maneuver in a way which will lead to amicable, peaceful solution of all the boundary disputes, whichever is there between 2 states or any other states in the northeastern region. I think we are very hopeful. Now there are visible signs coming up. You must be seeing the chief ministers are meeting, home ministers talking to all the chief ministers. So this kind of very careful attention paid by Union Home Minister was never seen during Congress regime.